WWDC 2024, visionOS 2 announced, releasing in June in these countries. The much-awaited first-ever major software update in its truest sense for Apple's Vision Pro has been announced during the ongoing Worldwide Developers Conference being held in Cupertino, California, USA. Confirming to almost all the previously tipped insights into the spatial computer, Tim Cook, the main moderator of the event, said that the latest visionOS update, visionOS 2, will turn the already immersive experience into lifelike fidelity. As per the Apple CEO, visionOS 2 will embrace productivity enhancements and new immersive experiences as the wearable lets you spatialize photos from regular photos by exploiting the AI and machine learning technologies. Another notable feature that will be making its way into Apple Vision Pro with visionOS 2 is a new navigation option, which would let users switch to the home screen by just tapping or flipping their hand over to pull up the control center with access to notifications, shortcuts, and much more. visionOS 2 will also incorporate train support to the travel mode feature on the Vision Pro, which Apple says will provide higher display resolution and a variety of sizes for the Mac virtual display capability, which lets Vision Pro users view content on a connected Mac in an immersive desktop view. Having been granted over 2,000 native apps since its inception, the upcoming visionOS update will also accompany a spate of APIs to simplify it for developers to develop apps for the Vision Pro. One such APIs are volumetric APIs to enable the development of 2 apps simultaneously, and Tabletop Kit, a new developer kit for games and new enterprise APIs. Moreover, the iPhone maker has also promised the Apple Immersive Video, its 180-degree 8K video format for the Vision Pro, will be joined by new allies, with Red Bull set to do a sports series. According to the announcement made by Apple CEO Tim Cook, the update will first release in China, Japan, and Singapore on June 28th, whereas its rollout will be expanded to Australia, Canada, France, Germany, and UK on July 12th.